So it's the twins' birthday, and I decided to make a little tutu for the little girl. I got these items from Walmart. It's basically a headband and then some tulle. I'm using a random box that I got from the kids' snacks, and it looks like the length of her little legs. So I just began by wrapping the tulle around it, and this took me about 15 minutes. I used about 4 of them, and I just wrapped it and wrapped it until they were finished. Okay, so after I'm finished with it, I went ahead and I just cut one side. My scissors is so dull. I just love the scissors. I got it somewhere in Brooklyn in one of those 99-cent store. Everybody always asks where I got it from. I got it in Brooklyn in the 99-cent store around Church Avenue where the Chase Bank is. Yes, so if you're looking for it, head over there. Anyway, I just cut one side of the tulle. When I finally finished cutting the tulle in half, this is what it looked like. I'm using the headband just because I know her little waist would be the perfect size for the headband. And I actually just put 2 paint buckets on top of each other because I do not have a baby mannequin. And I am using my crochet needle to crochet the little pieces of the tulle into the headband. So when I crochet one end of the tulle in, I just did a little tie or a little knot to make sure they stay in place. This was super easy. Anybody can do this, even a 5-year-old or a 6-year-old, because it's super easy. When you finish all of them, they're not going to be the exact length because it takes a lot of patience to get it perfect. And I'm a very patient person, and I still didn't get them perfect. But don't worry. When you finish, just use your scissors to just cut it exactly how you want it to be to make everything perfectly the same length. This took me another 15 minutes. So I would say about 30 minutes in all, if that much. 30 minutes or less. This is what the finished product looked like. It was so cute, I couldn't wait to get it on her little cute little self with all the sparkles and all the stuff and all the yeah. You could tell I couldn't wait to get another daughter because my older daughter would not allow me to do all these stuff to her anymore. So this is what it looked like when I just hung it up there, just waiting patiently for her birthday to get there. I made a little headband as well. And then I went ahead and I made a little booty sock thing for her feet. Look at her. She looks so cute. Oh my god. Look at her. Look at her. Oh my god. Thank you guys for watching. See you in my next one.